Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add quick text in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what is quick text in Salesforce. In Salesforce, quick text refers to the pre-written messages or templates that users can insert into various forms of communication such as emails, chats, tasks, events and other records. Quick text helps to save time and ensure consistency in messaging, making it a valuable tool for customer services representatives, salespeople, and other professionals who frequently communicate with customers and colleagues. So let's proceed and learn to add quick text in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition, and if you are not in the Lightning edition, switch to the Lightning edition first. So click on the app launcher and here in the search box you enter the quick text, and under the item section you can see the quick text are present. Click on this quick text button option and it will redirect us to the record page of the quick text, and here you can see no record are present, and here we want to create the new quick text. So click on the new quick text button that is present on the top. Now enter the quick text name and here I write welcome in the quick text name field, and then you have to insert the messages. So firstly you can choose here from whom it may be related from the related to. Like when we click on the drop down arrow, it is related to the account, case, contact, etc. So here I select the contact, and from the field you can also choose by simply clicking on the drop down arrow as a age, birth date, or the fields whatever you have in the contact object. So here I choose the full name, so I click on the full name and you can insert it if you want to insert, otherwise you can directly write your message. So here I write hi and then click on the insert, and here the insert the name of the contact, and then here I will write the message as a welcome to our organization. So this is my message. Now choose the category. Under this category, under which category you want to add it. So here we have these category. We have three categories. So first one is greeting, second one is FAQ, and the third one is closing. So I add it to the greeting category. So then here are the channels when we scroll down. So here I only want to available on the email. If you want to available on the phone, then you select the phone and add it to the selected, and you can also add it if you want to available it on the task. Click on the task and add it to the selected, and you can also add it to any of the available channel if you want. And if you want to remove something you want to remove, you can remove it by simply clicking on this remove arrow, and you can also change the position of the selected channels by simply clicking on the up and down arrow. So after finalizing all the things, you have to click on the save button. Click on the save button, and so it will redirect us to the welcome quick text template page. You can see here the quick text name, message, and the category channel that you have already added. So with this we have learned how to add quick text in Salesforce Lite. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.